Välkomna till Coegin News. Idag ska vi träffa John Zibert igen. För visst vill vi alla veta mer om effekten som AVX001 påvisat inom basalcellscancer. Welcome John. Great news about AVX001.
Oh, definitely yes, me. And thank you for reaching out to ask this question. We definitely have new exciting data that shows that our compound AVX001 that works in inhibiting CPLA2 alpha are actually responsible for several hallmarks, so key points in the development of cancer. Not only just works in treating actinic keratosis in a clinical trial, the COAX trial, but also what we saw in that trial was that it actually also was able to treat more hard to treat AKs, the so-called AK grade 2. And this led us believe that maybe it could work also in skin cancers, such as basal cell carcinoma.
What is basal cell carcinoma?
Basal cell carcinoma is a very common disease. It accounts actually for more than 80% of all cases of non-melanoma skin cancers. The gold standard of treatment is surgery for basal cell carcinomas. And for the more superficial ones, so the ones that are not that serious, the treatment is actually approved medications such as immune modulators with a drug called imiquimod. There's also topical chemotherapy with topical 5-fluorouracil. And we also have procedures available such as photodynamic therapy, lasers, and cryotherapy. And then for the more severe cases, we have radiotherapy and systemic treatments, and one of them is Vismodegib. Unfortunately, this drug has severe side effects. However, these treatments are the ones that are available.
Could you tell us briefly about the new lab data with basal cell carcinoma?
So the new data we have in basal cell carcinoma is actually where we tested AVX001 to see if it would be effective in treating basal cell carcinoma. We did that in the lab together with Professor Merete Hedersdal here in University of Copenhagen, and also together with Professor Berit Johansen at NTNU in Trondheim.
And what effect was observed with the AVX001 in these trials?
What we saw was actually that it was surprisingly super effective against basal cell carcinoma cell lines derived from human beings.
In the study, you compared AVX001 with an existing drug on the market.
Yes, if we actually compare it to previously published data on exactly Vismodegib, which is the drug that was able to actually treat more severe basal cell carcinomas, we saw that it was in the lab 5 times as potent. So we definitely believe that there's an opportunity here.
Wow, 5 times. So how much is the yearly sales of Vismodegib?
Vismodegib is branded under the name AVX, and it's from Roche, and has actually a yearly revenue in 2021 of 700 million Swedish crowns.
And the total market cap for basal cell carcinoma topical treatments?
Actually, the global market for basal cell carcinoma was estimated to be valued at $6.7 billion in 2021. And of this, more than 50% accounts for procedures, so surgery and so forth. 40% is accounting for drugs, and 10% for other treatments such as photodynamic therapy and so forth. Hence, we believe that the market value is around $2.7 billion, and it's forecasted actually to grow even further to reach $3 billion by 2025.
So what is the next step with AVX001?
These data definitely encourage us to proceed with AVX001 in patients with basal cell carcinoma, where we believe that we will have a strong benefit for patients, where it's likely to be effective, but also safe, as we've seen in our previous trials with AVX001 in actinic keratosis.
Exciting. Thanks for the update, John. Next time we'll see you, you'll tell us more about AVX in oncology, right?
Yes, for sure. I look forward to talk more about AVX and oncology next time we meet me. Thank you so much.
Great. Tack för att ni tittade. Vi ses i nästa avsnitt.